Let's see how to lock certain elements in Microsoft Word. Now, first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our documents ready. Now, let's say that we want to lock this part, this last paragraph of our document. So what we can do is simply click on the Review tab and highlight the text that you want to be left to be editable. So let's go ahead and leave this first paragraph for editing. Go ahead and click on the Review tab right here and click on Restrict Editing. Right here, you will see this drop down, which will allow you to select which type of editing is allowed in the document. So if you don't want any form of editing and you only want to leave the document for everybody to read, you should select No Changes, Read Only. And next, select parts of the document and choose users who are allowed to freely edit them. So go ahead and click on that, and that should highlight your text. And go ahead and start enforcing protection. And that should highlight this text, showing that this is the only part that's editable. From here on, you'll notice that you can no longer edit any part of the text that isn't highlighted. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.